Hi, it's Kim McCotter here from Omega Home Services. I've got Scott Morrison here, and he's looking for a HVAC technician. Scott, thanks for joining us.
Hi Kim.
Scott, could you tell us a little bit about Omega Home Services?
Certainly. Omega Home Services have been established for 30 years, looking after the domestic maintenance market.
Things like plumbing.
Plumbing, electrical and air conditioning.
Okay, great. So how long have you been with Omega for?
Kim, I've been with the company coming up to 2 years now, where I started as a service manager and have progressed through to the trades manager.
Okay, so it sounds like there's opportunity for progression if you've got a few skills, I take it.
Certainly. We're always looking for growth within the company. We are growing quite exponentially at the moment. So yes, we are looking to fulfill those needs.
Okay, so do you need any formal qualifications for this role, or how does that work?
The qualifications we're looking for, we'd like to have licensed tradesmen, but we provide service for apprentices, which we then train to get their licenses.
Okay, so obviously we are looking for licensed HVAC technicians, but you're not quite there like an apprentice or a journeyman. We'll help support you to get your license.
Certainly, we'll provide that ongoing training internally.
Okay. All right, so if someone were to get this role, who would they be working with?
The successful incumbent would be looking to report to the service manager for HVAC.
Okay, so how do we know whether someone's going to fit in within Omega?
Okay, Omega have 3 core values, which are reliability, quality, and a joy to work with.
Absolutely, you got to have fun at work, eh?
Most definitely, in this place we always have fun, Kim.
Excellent. So if someone were interested in this role, how would they get in touch with you?
Okay, first best way of contacting is call through on our landline 9479 3591 or email through jobs@omegaservices.com.au.
Scotty, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Kim.